Hello, parents. So I had a few parents ask a question about how our new classwork is since it's no longer a grade. So when you go to your Google Classroom, I need to change it back to a student. When you go to your Google Classroom and you click on Mrs. Trunk's kindergarten work or kindergarten class, you press classwork. And I know a lot of y'all go here to view your work, which is fine. So these would only be the assignments. But when you go to classwork at the top, there's this right here. This is called material. So material gives you information, but it doesn't require you to turn anything in. So since we're no longer requiring students to turn in activities, this will just be posted as material under classwork only. This is the only place that you'll be able to see it. So if you start at the top, of course, my morning message and peak of the week are always here. And then let's say you start with phonics for the week. This is material. So you'd click on that. Your child would watch the videos. The videos are mandatory. And then if you want to do one of these, you can. But once again, this is no longer needed to be turned in. The assignment is right underneath CVC, changing the middle letter. So an assignment kind of looks like a clipboard with the 3 lines. And it says assignment right here. This is what you would turn in. Create new words by changing. And then you would view assignment and then add or create like y'all been doing. So for material, this one with the little, it looks like a badge or a banner. This is where you get the information from. And then the assignment is right under it. So if we scroll down to reading, it's the same thing. It'll look like this with the material symbol. Nothing needs to be turned in. You just watch the videos. If you want to do these, you can. I posted a comment on the class stream saying, if you want to share pictures of your child doing this on our stream, feel free to. And then that way the kids can see pictures of their friends also. So after you do the lessons, you would go straight under to retelling assignment. And remember, the assignment is like a clipboard. And then you would read it and then turn in the recording. And then you keep going down, writing, same thing. Material has the lessons. Right underneath it is the assignment that it's turned in. Math lessons. Assignment needs to be turned in. Science this week, it's nothing needs to be turned in. So you can just watch the videos. Since there's no assignment, you're more than welcome to actually do these and not make them optional for your child. It's really just whatever works for y'all's schedule. And then you can just post it on the classroom stream so I can see it if you want. Once again, not mandatory. Social studies, same thing. Nothing needs to be turned in this week. So I hope that makes it easier for you. So once again, view your work. For this week, there's only 4 things that need to be turned in. Phonics, math, writing and reading. The actual material and lessons are under classwork. That's the only place you're going to find it is classwork. Also, if you want to break it down into topic to make it easier for you, you can start here. This has all of them on one page, which I just did. But if you want to click on phonics, boom, you're only going to see phonics. And then these, of course, are from previous weeks. But it will say posted April 6th, and then your homework is due on April 14th. And then same thing with reading, writing, math, science, social studies. Extra activities are just there if you'll have any free time on the weekend or during the week. So once again, when you go to your Google Classroom, you press classwork. You have to go under each topic to see the actual lessons first. View your work is only the things that are turned in, which are these 4 assignments this week. This is where you'll only see the actual assignment instructions. You will not see any lessons here. Okay, I hope that clears up some confusion. I really apologize for that. I had no idea that you wouldn't be able to see the material under that tab. But once again, classwork is where you'll see everything.